this video is for people that are interested to come to Japan as student with student visa. I'm going to the school today to find out the requirements that you need, and as I keep saying, I would suggest you do degree course. If I suggest you do something like masters, okay? So if you're getting a degree or you want to study degree course, I think you have more chances to get visas than people that are going into language course and language study. So really my advice is for you to try and gather your finances, and if you really want to come to Japan, doing degree is the best option, okay? And I will check for the language course. If it's still okay, if it's possible for Nigerians, then that's fine. But if it's not and you really want to come into Japan, I think that student visa is just the best option. And you should also consider going into the studying degree courses, okay? You have to consider the degree courses. That's the only way you can make it easy and fast without no stress. And if you need my help, assistant or guide to help you in the process, I will be here for you, okay? And I wish you all the best. And please share this video to people that are interested. If you like what I'm doing here, follow and like, share my videos, okay? And I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye.